Okay, I'm finna swatch these, and I'm gonna use the magnets, the magnet. The line is so bad, I'm not understanding why it's so bad. Okay. So the first one I'm gonna swatch is 7. The first one I'm gonna swatch is 70270. And I'm swatching them on these. I think I'm gonna get some different swatch sticks. So here's this one. It's pretty. So let's use the magnet. I'm gonna use this side. Let's see. Ooh. Oh my, that is so pretty. I don't know if y'all can see. It's moving it. Do y'all see it? Let's try this one. Y'all see it? Let me do that one. This magnet's strong. The other ones I got ain't this strong. I think I got rid of all the magnets. What happened? Not doing it no more. Oh no. Oh no, there we go. Oh, that is pretty. I'm gonna leave it like this. Can y'all see? I'm gonna cure it. So that was, I like these. I'm excited. So I'm trying to do me a set with these. Yeah. And I'm gonna leave them right here because I gotta label them. So I'm gonna leave them in order how to swatch them, so I can label them and it don't get messed up. I'm gonna wait till that done. Okay, what number was that? So we're gonna do, and this how it looks. I don't know if y'all can see. It's pretty. That's real pretty. Okay, now we're gonna do 3274. This is how it looks. And it kind of reminds me of rainbow. This would be good for St. Patrick's Day, to be honest. And you can do one coat or 2 coats. I'm just doing a 1 coat because it's good with 1 coat to me. With this. So I'm gonna use the second one again, and just like that. I'm new to this. I don't know why is this on? I'm new to this, so it's like a shadow. I don't understand why it's a shadow. I think it's because how my camera is. There we go. I hope it don't fall. But yeah, I like it. I like the glory. And this is how that one looks. Oh, it's really pretty. So next time I use these, I have different magnets, but I should have went and got my daughter magnet. She got the circle one. But these are cute. Look at this. It's just so pretty. Imagine that. And then in the light is really like popping. I don't know if y'all can see. And this how it looks cure. It kind of looks the same, don't it? Wait, it went. Do it change colors? Do these color change? This was just green, wasn't it? I'm not tripping. No, I guess. I thought it was green. Okay, next we're gonna do 3272. Now we're gonna see, cause look at this color. It's like a rose gold type. Let's see. Cause I thought that one came out green. I think I put too much on here. This is really pretty. Like a rose gold champagne color. That's really pretty. So I'm gonna use this side this time. Let's see. Oh, I like that. We ain't gonna do nothing else to it. See it? Yes. Let's cure it. Let's see if it's gonna come out a different color, because I'm pretty sure that other one was. Let's see. Look. Yeah, it was green. So I wonder if they color changing. That's interesting. I wonder. Let me look at the box. Because they didn't say nothing about it being color changing. Yeah, they don't say nothing about color changing. Uh-oh, got a little hair stuck to it. This is really pretty. That is so pretty. I hope it's picking up. Okay, now we got 3275. No, I can't get it out. Let me just take that one out. Oh, my light keep going off. And this is how this one looks. Like a pink, purplish, pinkish color. Let's see. I'm gonna use this side again. Ooh. Okay, let's use that one for that. And then let's use the little side for this. Hey, where'd it go? I be seeing people do like this. I don't know.